Of interest from an Angolan point of view here, where size and strength could very well be key for Mensah Sithole defensively, an area where Angola seem to be having a slight advantage over the South Africans. The early ball in, no problem for the likes of Foster initially. Still pressure and a chance for save of the game here. Sees Ronwen Williams able to get Sandala. The national team. This is the best chance so far for the Angolans. If you are just joining us, nation in the history of the AFCON, that being Egypt. As we look back, just lacking in power. Ronwen Williams doing well to hold on to it. Good positional play as well from the Sundowns goalkeeper. One of the very best on the continent is
Ivory Coast. Ngo-2023 mdlalo wabo wokuqala babethwa kodwa bayongena kumdlalo. Wow, ibhola inhle wasebenza Ronwen Williams sebenzile indoda Kolandola uGaspar
Dota scored by Apolis. The goalkeeping from the outswinger. Angola looking for the equalizer. Good ball in, the header denied by Williams. All about positional play and making that save. Dada from his man. Oh, it's done well. In the end, straight at Williams, who was at the right place, right time. Then, as 3 crucial saves is made now inside the opening 30.
Tamayisusa le ball. Bayiphakamisa bayibetha ngesithande, bayibeka emnatheni. Lo umdlalo ngona ufake amanqaku akhawulezayo kwimidlalo emibini eseyidlalile. Bola esuswe yangena ngaphakathi, yabethwa ngesithende la bola. Lyle Foster akawenzanga umsebenzi wakhe. Uzamile ukuya kuyo la bhola uLyle Foster ukuba uqhawula la nto kodwa wafika sekwaphulwe. Akho nto ibinokwenza kuRonwen Williams ngaphandle baye beza kwenzenzakalisa kakhulu kuba nangoku ubetheke epalini.
Spain company push forward. 7 in the box, fall in, and Ronwen Williams. Gather. Whistle going in favour for Ronwen Williams and friends. If I had to deal with attack after attack, how's that a rival? Williams.
Williams usompempe wakhawuleza wamthethelela. Ndijonga amanqaku oMzantsi Afrika. Ibhola uLyle Foster inqaku lokuqala likaPolice. La bhola ibisezinyaweni zakhe.